Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to connect Moomoo to Tradingview. First, go to their website, which is tradingview.com, and then from here, you want to sign into your account, log in, or just create an account in case you don't have one yet. Now, you can do this over here at the top right. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, once you have that, and once you're logged in, you want to hover over products over here and click on Super Charts. This will take you to their chart over here. So this is the basic trading view. And then what you have to do is over here at the bottom, click on the last panel, which says Trading Panel. And then you want to kind of make this bigger by either like holding over here and swiping it up, or you can simply enlarge it by clicking Maximize Panel. And there we go. Now from here, you'll see you can connect with your trusted brokers. So simply find Moomoo if you can see it over here. Click on All Brokers and then scroll down a bit, and there we go. There's Moomoo. Click on that, and then over here you want to click on Connect, and after that it will take you to a site, there we go, where you'll have to basically log in using your Moomoo credentials, and then simply put in your email or user ID, or you can just of course sign in through phone if you want to. Click on Next, put in your password, all your info, and after you're done with that, you can then go back over here. You can go back to TradingView. You can minimize that by clicking the Restore panel, and then you'll be able to have this default view over here and start basically using Moomoo together with TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.